The Auto Top-Off System, ATO, replaces evaporated water to maintain salinity. The ATO water level sensor is located in the pump chamber. To install or replace the ATO, locate the pump and the LED sensor. Place the green water level sensor into the pump chamber to connect with the magnet on the back of the aquarium. Pass the cable through to the cabinet. Locate and connect the power and pump cables to the labeled ports on the double connector. Locate the automatic top-off hose and bulkhead and unscrew the nut on the end. Place the elbow through the back of the aquarium in the hole and screw the nut back on. Pass the end of the hose through to the cabinet. Connect the line to the nipple on the pump. Place it on the bottom of the reservoir.
Bring out your reservoir. So it's obviously empty of water now. You need to top it up. So what I do, you can either bring water to the reservoir or you can take the reservoir out of the cabinet to your tap and fill it up at a sink. Now you really want to fill this up to 15 litres. That'll last about 4 to 6 weeks. So you need to put a decent amount of water in it. Here's some water that I've brought over to the reservoir. It's just tap water. Filtered water's better, but you're only going to be pumping in about 100 mils of water per day to top up the evaporation. So we just fill that up to 15 litres. Simple as that. We run the line through the hole in the reservoir, put the pump back into the reservoir, connect the hose to the pump, slide the reservoir back into the cabinet, position the pump on the bottom of the reservoir so it can draw out all the water. Then we turn the power back on, put the cover back on. Now there's water in there. The pump chamber's got water in it again because we turned the power off. It's going to drain the water down. Air's going to be pumped back into the aquarium again, but when that happens, your water level sensor in the pump chamber is going to start flashing. That's going to turn the pump on in the reservoir and it's going to spur a little bit of water coming out of the hose, and that'll top up the pump chamber until the pump chamber water level runs up to the LED sensor in the pump chamber. So we've got some air coming through again, but that's going to correct itself as that water tops up the pump chamber, so nothing to worry about there. And just double check the LED water level sensor's green. It'll be flashing while the pump's running. It'll be solid when the pump's not. So if that's red, you need to turn the power off to 3 seconds and turn it back on again, and that'll turn the LED light that's in the pump chamber back to green.
Thank you for watching.